Hello, welcome to the Limestone University application video. My name is Madison and I will be describing each step of the application. To start the application process for Limestone University, you will want to go to the university website. This is www.limestone.edu. Click on Apply Now, which can be found in the top right-hand corner in the red box. You will click on Sign Up to create a portal login to track your application process. Fill in your credentials. Then click Submit. Once you have clicked Submit, you will be asked to go to your email to confirm and set up your password. When this step is complete, you can return to the Limestone application site and select Sign In. You will then be asked what level are you applying for. If you are a current senior in high school and looking to be on our Gaffney Day campus, you will be applying for the undergraduate level. You will select what type of student you are. Then you will select how you would like to attend classes. If you plan on taking classes during the day, you will be a traditional day student. You will then select if you plan to live in campus housing or not during your time as a student. Lastly, on this page, you will select your start term. The next two available start terms will be available for you to select. We offer fall and spring start dates. Then you will complete the next page with your information. You will select the high school in which you attend, and if you have a copy of your unofficial transcript, you can attach this to the application. However, we will need official copies before you can start classes. If you have taken any college or dual enrollment classes, you can attach this transcript as well. After you have selected your school, you will select your desired major. If you are unsure, you will select a Bachelor of Liberal Studies. You then select Review Application. The application percentage will come up and show you what else you need to add for it to be completed. If you are only missing your transcripts, then it will show a percentage of less than 100 until you submit those transcripts. The last step of the application process requires you to verify that all your information is true and correct. Select the verification box and select the Verify and Submit button. Once Limestone University has received your transcripts, they will be added to your file and your file will be evaluated for an acceptance decision. Once a decision has been made, your admissions representative will inform you of the decision. If you have any questions about the process, please feel free to reach out to Limestone Admissions at 864-488-4552 or admissions@limestone.edu.